Okay, we're walking into a 2012 Coachman Brookstone Diamond Edition, model number 367RL, with touchstone entry, power awning on the outside. This is probably one of the highest quality units out there on the market, unless you get one custom made. This has the Corian countertops, the oak cabinetry, the double door refrigerator, the convection oven. Absolutely spectacular. It's got the heat in the floors. It's got 2 AC units. Beautiful dinette. Pull-out couch. Sleepers, sofa lounges, whatever they're called. Fireplace. There's a monster TV over here, and then one in the bedroom. Beautiful cabinetry. Even has crown molding on top of the cabinets. You don't find stuff like this that often. And it's in outstanding condition. It also has the Red Devil vacuum. Walking up the stairs. Nice oversized shower. That's the compost toilet. King size bed. It also has the washer and dryer hookup. Nice size TV here. You can hear the AC on up here. And it has the cedarwood shoe rack in the back. Wow. This is very impressive. Let me turn this off. I like that. That's pretty. Close that. That's nice. Look at the size of that bed. Nice headboard. Plenty of room. 2012 Brookstone Diamond Edition, made by Coachman. This is the one that'll have the R19 in the walls, the heat in the subfloor, the underbelly coverage, even the glass in the cabinets is inlaid also. And look at the valances, 3 different color valances. Man. Okay. And I'm going to call this a 9.999. I can't fault anything in here. Oh, no. 9.85. We're missing 2 light bulbs. And then here is all the stuff. The awning works. I already put that out. And this is 4 slides too. Okay, that's it.